Hellcat key, big AP. I'm going back to Cali like I'm B.I.G. Nigga sent a death threat, he gon' D.I.E. Got face card in the biddy, I don't need ID. You know I can play it smooth or do him slimy. Either way I go, I'm bustin' if they try me. You know I rock her with that chopper like I'm Sid Vicious. If she throw it, I'ma catch her while me pinch hit it. You know I'm posted in that trap, moving weight like I'm bench pressing. But baby know she got a joint, so she been stressing. Why they call me fitness flexing? Cause I been flexing. I been stepping with